Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Dear brothers and sisters, today I want to remind us of the fundamental principles of our beautiful religion, Islam. Islam is a way of life that guides us towards righteousness, compassion, and wisdom. The foundation of Islam is built on five pillars: Shahada, Salat, Zakat, Psalm, and Hajj. These pillars remind us of our duty to Allah, to our fellow human beings, and to ourselves. We are taught to believe in one God, to pray 5 times a day, to give charity to those in need, to fast during Ramadan, and to make the pilgrimage to Makkah at least once in our lifetime. However, Islam is not just about rituals and practices. It is about living a life of justice, equality, and mercy. It is about being kind to our parents, respectful to our elders, and compassionate to those who are suffering. The Quran reminds us that the best of you are those who have the best character. So let us strive to be the best versions of ourselves, to be honest, trustworthy, and humble. Let us remember that Islam is a religion of peace and that we are all ambassadors of this beautiful faith. Let us spread love, kindness, and understanding wherever we go. May Allah guide us on the right path, and may we always remember the fundamentals of our faith. Ameen. Khuda Hafiz.